time to make some yummy sweet treats. Hi little sweet treats! Today we're going to make Easter dot cups. I have special guests, my sisters, Nadine and Janine. We need a bag, a roll, and some cookies, and some chocolate pudding, and some candies. And don't forget your flower pot cups. First, we're going to put the cookies in the bag. My little sisters, Janine and Nadine, are going to help me put them in the bag. Now we're going to break up our cookies. Do this carefully. Once your cookies look like this, they look like dots. We're going to pour it back in our bowl. First, we're going to scoop some dirt and put some inside. Be careful, okay? Be careful. Now we're going to scoop in our pudding. Now we're going to do it all over again. Once your layers are all done, you can add the candies. We have gummy carrots, gummy worms, and gummy butterflies. You can use any gummies you like. When you're done adding your candies, sprinkle cookie dough on top. Now we get to eat it. Hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye friends!